Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to handle the click event listener on the items of the recycler view. In the last video we have created this application together, and if you haven't watched that video and you don't know how to use the recycler view, you can click on this link and watch the video and come back here later after that tutorial. So here when we are clicking on the items, let's say we are clicking on the layout of the item. So for this we have to set an ID on the constraint layout of the item. If you are using another type of layout, for example linear layout, no matter, only we need this ID. And then let's go to the recycler adapter. Here in the view holder class, first of all we have to initialize this layout. Constraint underscore row equals to item view dot find view by ID, and the type is constraint layout, and r dot id dot constraint row. That's it. Instead of this, here we can just like here write this constraint layout here, and now we don't need it. Both of them are working. And here now in unbind view holder function, we have to write holder dot constraint layout dot setOnClickListener, and here I'm going to write a toast message dot make text, and here I need the context. I can take the context from one of these widgets and by using the holder. So I'm creating a value here, I'm calling it cont, short for context, equals to holder dot constraint layout row dot context. Here I can use this cont as the context. Then the text, the item, then $sign. Now we want to take the name of the item that we clicked on it. So here I have the current item value and dot name. I'm extracting the name of the item from this, and then is clicked. Then the duration of the toast, and then dot show. Okay, that's okay. Let's check it on the emulator. Number 2, the item pizza 2 is clicked on 1 and 3. Okay, that's good. And we can do the same for the setOnLongClickListener. So holder dot constraint row dot setOnLongClickListener, and then here view dot OnLongClickListener, and I'm going to copy this line and paste it here, and here long, and then here we have to return OnClick listener and true. And let's check it on the emulator. On long click on the item pizza 6 and unclick. Unclick. On long click. Okay, that was everything about the click event listener. You can instead of these thoughts write an intent or everything to open a fragment or an activity. Be with me in the next videos and I will show you how to do this. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below and I will be so happy to answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.